Today through this video I will explain first three questions of exercise 13.2 of chapter 13 surface area and volume. The first question: a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 cm and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of solid in terms of pi. So in this exercise we are using the concept of volume. We have to understand the meaning of volume. Volume is the amount of space inside this solid shape. So here a solid shape, it consists of two solid. One is hemisphere and second one is a cone. Cone and a hemisphere combined together, and the radius is being equal to 1 cm, and also the height of the cone is equal to its radius. So here we can write radius equal to 1 cm and height of this cone is 1 cm. The diagram as follows. Now the volume of solid equal to volume of conical part plus volume of hemispherical part, or simply volume of a cone plus volume of hemisphere. We know the volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula for finding volume of a cone. And volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And then we can substitute this value. The volume of solid will be sum of these two volumes, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we can combine together. Here 1 by 3 pi is common and r square also common. Simplify the values with r equal to 1 and h equal to 1. And simplify it, you will get pi centimeter cube. So here you find the volume of solid in terms of pi. So here the answer also, it is pi centimeter cube. Now the second question. Rachel, our engineering students, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with cone attached to its two ends by using a thin aluminium sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and the length is 12 cm. Each cone has a height of 2 cm. Find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume that outer and inner dimension of the model to be nearly the same. First we have to draw the diagram. Here the diameter of the model is 3 cm. So diameter is 3 cm. So here we have three solid. Both the ends we have a cone and in the middle portion we have a cylinder. So it is a combination of a cylinder and two cone or two conical part. Here the diameter of this cylinder is 3 cm. So you can write radius equal to 3 by 2 or 1.5. And the total length of this model is 12 cm. Total length means height of this cone plus height of this cylinder plus height of this cone. So here the height of this cone is given. The height of the cone is 2 cm. Here also height of the cone is 2 cm. So we can find out the height of this cylinder. Height of the cylinder is 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8 cm. So first we can write from the figure. It is clear that the volume of the model includes the volume of cylindrical part and both the identical conical part. So we can write volume of the model equal to volume of the two conical part plus volume of the cylindrical part. Now the height of the cylinder is 12 minus 4. 4 is here height of these two cones. One cone, the height is 2 cm and second cone height is 2 cm. So 2 plus 2, it is 4. So the height of the cylinder 12 minus 4, it is 8 cm. and radius equal to 1.5 and height of the cone is 2 centimeter. Now we can use the formula. We have to remember the formula. The total volume of air contained in the model, that is equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h in plus 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here r equal to 1.5 and height of the cylinder is 8, and in cone radius is same 1.5 and height of the cone is 2 centimeter. So you substitute these values and simplify it. You will get the answer 66 centimeter cube. So this is the amount of air contained in the model. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Figure is given. You can check the figure. Given each gulab jamun shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. So here the diameter is 2.8 cm. So you can write the radius is 2.8 by 2, that is 1.4 cm. And the total length is 5 cm. So and each gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. So from the figure we can write the length of the cylindrical part. Here it contains 3 solid. Both sides it is hemisphere and the middle portion it is cylindrical shape. So for finding the length of the cylindrical part equal to length of the gulab jamun minus 2 times radius of the hemispherical part. Also diameter of the gulab jamun equal to diameter of the cylindrical part. And radius of the cylindrical part is radius of the hemispherical part. Both are equal. Now we come to the calculation. Total length is given, that is 5 cm, diameter is 2.8 cm, so radius is 2.8 by 2, that is 1.4 cm. And the height of the cylindrical part or length of the cylindrical part is 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4, that is 2.2 cm. Now first you find out the total volume of one gulab jamun, that is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemisphere. Volume of cylinder we can write the formula pi r square h, and volume of two hemisphere, volume of one hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and two hemisphere the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we can write it here pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube, and put the values here. Radius is 1.4 and height of the cylinder is 2.2, and radius of this hemispherical part that also 1.4. Substituting these values you will get the volume of one gulab jamun equal to 25.05 centimeter cube. Then it is given the volume of sugar syrup is equal to 30% the total volume of gulab jamun. So there are 45 gulab jamuns are there. So volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun equal to 45 into 30% of 25.05. Here 30% means 30 divided by 100. We can simplify it here, that is 45 into 30 divided by 100, into 25.05. After simplification, you will get 45 into 7.513, that is 338.184 centimeter cube. And approximately you can write 338 centimeter cube. This is the amount of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun. So if you have any doubt in this 4 question, you can send me the message. And thank you for watching this video.